Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths chapter 6 exercise 6.2. Let us see the 12th question. In a business venture, a man can make a profit of 2000 with a probability of 0.4 or have a loss of rupees 1000 with a probability of 0.6. What is his expected variance and standard deviation of profit? Let us see how to find out the expected value, variance and standard deviation. So, first one is what is given in the question, profit of 2000. So, that is should be considered as a positive value. And loss of 1000 means you have to consider as minus value. So, first you have to find out the probability mass function. How to write the probability mass function? That is, this is x is equal to x and p of x. So first one is given in the question 2000 profit. So you have to consider as 2000 plus value. And 2000 of probability 0.4. So 0.4. And loss of 1000 rupees. So minus 1000 into 0.6. Probability of p of x is equal to 0.6. So now expected profit, we have to find out expected profit. So expected profit is equal to, that is E of x. So E of x is equal to x into P of x, that is the formula. So summation of x into P of x. So that is equal to, you have to multiply these two terms, 2000 multiplied by 0.4 and 1000 into 0.6. Now and add these two means that is the summation. So 2000 into 0.4. Here minus is there. So put minus, because if we add this means plus into minus plus minus only. So minus 1000 into 0.6. So that is equal to 2000 into 0.4 we will get 800 and minus 1000 into 0.6 is equal to 600. So what is the expected value? That is equal to 200. So E of x is equal to 200. Let us see the variance. What is the formula for variance of x? That is E of x squared minus E of x the whole squared. So now we have to find out E of x, already we found out, that is 200. Now we are going to find out E of x, the x squared. So E of x squared means, what is the formula for E of x squared? Summation of x squared into P of x. So now let us see how to find out that one. Now let us see the E of x squared. So E of x squared is equal to summation of x squared into P of x. So that is equal to x squared means 2 squared into 2 is 2 squared 2000 the whole squared into 4. So 2000 the whole square into 0.4 plus minus 1000 the whole square into 0.6. So that is equal to 2000 into 2000 into 0.4. We will get 160. So 2000 into 2 into 0.4. We will get 1 crore 60 lakhs. That is 1650. So plus 1000 into 1000. So minus of minus plus. So we will get 6 lakhs. So here 6 lakhs. Now we have to add this one. We will get 22 lakhs. This is 16 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros means we have to consider as 16 lakh. Here 6 lakh. We will get 22 lakh. So, what is E of x squared? That is 22 lakhs, 2 to 5 zeros. So what is variance of x? Variance of x is equal to E of x. Let us note it this one. E of x squared is equal to 2250. Now we are going to find out variance of x. How to find out variance of x? Variance of x is equal to E of, what is the formula? E of x square minus E of x the whole square. E of x the whole square. So that is equal to E of x square value 2250 you have to put minus 200. So we will get 200 the whole square. So that is equal to 2250 minus 200 into 200, 2 2s are 4 zeros you have to add. If we subtract this one, we will get 21640. 21640. This is the answer for the variance. What is the standard deviation? Standard deviation is equal to root of variance. So you have to find out root of variance. Let us see. So we found out the first question expected value, another one is variance we found out, another question is standard deviation. Let us see the standard deviation is equal to root of variance. So what is root of variance? We already found out that is root of 21,640. So now we have to take the root value, use the calculator, use the normal calculator only. If you find out the root value, we will get 1469.69. This is the answer for standard deviation. Now let us see the 13th question. The number of miles an automobile tire lost before it reaches a critical point in tread verb can be represented by a PDF. So f of x is equal to 1 by 30 e power minus x by 30 for x greater than 0. 0 for x less than or equal to 0. Find the expected number of miles in thousands a tire would last until it reaches the critical tread verb point. So given PDF is, what is given in the PDF for 12th question? F of x is equal to 1 by 30 e power minus x by 30 for x greater than 0. 0 for x less than or equal to 0. So let us integrate because this is PDF given in the probability distribution function continuous radiation. So you have to take it as E of x is equal to integral of, how to find out expected number of miles. So E of x is equal to integral of 0 to infinity because x greater than 0. So you have to take it as 0 to infinity and then 1 by 30, that is x into f of x dx. So you have to take it as, first write the formula x into f of x dx. So that is equal to 0 to infinity x into, what is f of x? 1 by 30 e power minus x by 30 into dx. This is f of x. So let us find out, next one is how to integrate this one. We will get, this is 1 by 30 is the constant term, so take it outside, and 1 by 30 into x into e power, we have to take the constant term 1 by 30, 0 to infinity, and x into e power x by 30 into dx. Now we have to integrate this one. We have to use the one more formula. We have to use this for this. How to find out the integral? Let us see. So according to the formula, we are going to integrate this one. Integral of 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx is equal to n factorial divided by a power n plus 1 factorial. So compared to this formula to the equation, that is x into f of x dx, means x power n. So what is x power n? So n is equal to 1. So let us consider n is equal to 1. Because x power value 1 only. So n is equal to 1. And what is a? We want a also. What is a? That is a is coefficient of x. So let us consider a is equal to 1 by 30. Now you have to substitute in this. We will get n factorial means 1 factorial divided by 1 by 30. The whole power n plus 1 means 1 plus 1 2. So 1 by 30 the whole square. Now already 1 by 30 is the constant term here. So you have to add that one also. So 1 by 30 into 1 by 30 square, the whole square. Now here 2 1 by 30s, 2 30s are there. So you have to strike out by 30 and 130. So what is the remaining answer? That is 1 by 30 only. So 1 divided by 1 by 30, that is equal to, if this goes to reciprocal, we will get 30. So what is the answer for this question? 30. But you have to write, mention in the miles and mention in the thousand. So what is the answer for this? E of x is equal to, let us consider, that is 30 miles in 1000. So 30 miles in 1000 we have to mention. So you have to take it as 30,000 miles. So you have to take it as 30,000 miles. So what is the expected value? 30,000 miles. Thank you students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.